In this video, I'll show you how to restore the missing product titles on Shopify product pages. As you can see in this example, the product titles are correctly displayed on the collection pages, but if I open the specific product page, as you can notice, the product title is missing. So to fix this, we need to re-add the title block within the theme settings. So at first, make sure to be logged into your Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Look for your active theme, in my case is Dawn, then select Customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, you can drop down and then select Products, then select Default Product. Then on the left under Template, expand the Product Information section, then hover under the product information. You'll see this option Add Block, click on it, and then under Blocks, make sure to select this option Title. As you can notice, the product title will be displayed at the very top. However, for this example, I would like to move it under the vendor name. For that, just simply click on the title and let's drag it just under the vendor name right here. As you can see, the vendor name is displayed just above. Now let's save the changes. Now let's go back to the products page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, the title is displayed on this product page, and this change will reflect in other product pages. Let's take a look at another product. Let's open this one. Yes, you can see the title is correctly displayed. And lastly, if you follow the steps and the issue still persists, there's most likely a problem with the actual theme code. In that case, we'll require in-depth review. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.